Good morning, students. Today I explain the previous questions. I solved the previous question of the previous day. Worksheet 4A. Question number 1. Express the following number in the form of P by Q. That means express the following number in the form of rational number. So question number 1, 2 by 7 whole cube can be written as 2 cube by 7 cube equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, yani 2 multiply 3 times and 7 multiply 3 times. And now find the product. So 2 cube equal to 8 and 7 cube equal to 343. Question number 2, minus 2 by 5 whole cube equal to minus 2 whole cube by 5 cube. Here exponent 3 is odd numbers. So minus 2 whole cube equal to minus 8. If the exponents is odd, then sign minus. If exponent is even, then sign plus. So minus 2 whole cube equal to minus 8. 5 cube equal to 125. Minus 1 by 2 whole 5 raised to the power 5 equal to, it can be written as minus 1 raised to the power 5 by 2 raised to the power 5. Here 5 is odd number, so you know that minus 1 raised to the power 5, which is an odd positive integers. So minus 1 raised to the power 5 equal to minus 1 and 2 raised to the power 5 equal to 32. So your answer is minus 1 by 32. 3 by 5 raised to the power 4 equal to 3 raised to the power 4 by 5 raised to the power 4 equal to 3 multiply 3 4 times and 5 multiply 5 4 times. So it can be 81 by 5 raised to the power 4 equal to 625. Minus 1, question number 5, minus 1 raised to the power 100. 100 is an even positive integer. So the value of minus 1 raised to the power 100 equal to plus 1. Now express the following in exponential form. Write the base and exponents for each. Question number 1, 1 by 729. So first of all, prime factorize 721. You will get that 729 can be written as 3 raised to the power 6. So it can be written as 1 by 3 raised to the power 6. Here base is 1 by 3 and exponent is 6. Question number 2, minus 32 by 243. So prime factorize, find the prime factorize of numerator and denominator. You will get 32 can be written as 2 raised to the power 5 and 243 can be written as 3 raised to the power 5. Now minus 32 by 343 can be written as minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 5. So here base is minus 2 by 3 and exponent is 5. 625 by 14,641. First of all, find the prime factors of numerator and denominator. Prime factors of 625 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 multiply 5 4 times, and prime factors of prime factorization of 14,641 is 11 multiply 11 multiply 11 multiply 11 4 times. So it can be written as 5 by 11 whole 4. Here base is 5 by 11 and exponent is 4. Question number 4, minus 27 by 64. it can be written as minus 3 whole cube by 4 cube equal to minus 3 by 4 whole cube. Here base equal to minus 3 by 4 and exponent is 3. 9 by 25 can be written as 3 square by 5 square equal to 3 by 5 whole square. Base is 3 by 5 and exponent is 2. Simplify the following. Minus 1 raised to the power 8 equal to 1. Why 1? Because 8 is positive even numbers. If the power of minus 1 is even positive integers, then the value of minus 1 raised to the power 8 equal to 1. If the power of minus 1 is odd positive integer, then the value is minus 1. Question number 2. 2a square plus minus 5 whole cube equal to 2a square can be written as 4 and minus 5 whole cube can be written as minus 125. Now is equal to minus 121. 6 multiply 10 cube. It can be written as 6 multiply 1000. Why 1000? Where 10 raised to the power 3. So 1 followed 30. 30 after 1. So that is 6000. 7 square can be written as 49 and minus 10 raised to the power 6. It can be written as, here 6 is even positive integer. So the value of 10 minus 10 raised to the power 6 is positive 10 raised to the power 6. So it can be written as 1 followed 60. That is 49 60 after 49 and 49 followed 60. Now worksheet 4b. Question number 1. Find the value of x in each of the following. Question number 1. 9 by 4 whole minus 3 multiply 9 by 4 raised to the power plus 5. In LHS bases are same, so and multiply sign between them, so add the exponents. So it can be written as 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5, that is 2. So it can be written as 9 by 4 whole square equal to 9 by 4 raised to the power x minus 2. Here bases are same, 9 by 4, 9 by 4. So exponents are equal. If bases are equal, then their exponents are also equal. So x minus 2 equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. Question number 2. 125 by 8 whole 5 multiply 125 by 8 whole x equal to 5 by 2 raised to the power 18. Now it can be written as in LHS. Here bases are same, so add the exponents. So 125 by 8 raised to the power 5 plus x equal to 5 by 2 raised to the power 18. But here exponents bases are different, so 125 by 8 can be written as 5 by 2 whole cube and a square bracket 5 plus x. And you have learned the laws of exponents. X raised to the power m whole n. In whole, power is multiply it, so it can be written as 5 by 2 raised to the power 3 common bracket 5 plus x equal to 5 by 2 raised to the power 18. Then bases are same, so exponents are equal, so it can be written as 3 common bracket 5 plus x equal to 18 or 5 plus x equal to 18 by 3, that is 6. So therefore x equal to 6 minus 5, that is 1. Question number 3. 7 by 9 whole cube multiply 7 by 9 raised to the power 6. In LHS 7 by 9 raised to the power 3 plus 6, that is 9. So in RHS 7 by 9 raised to the power 2x plus 1, bases are same, so exponents are equal. 2x plus 1 equal to 9, or 2x equal to 9 minus 1, that is 8. Therefore x equal to 8 by 2. Therefore x equal to 4. Question number 4. 3 by 4 whole square multiply 3 by 4 raised to the power 9. Here bases are same, so and between them multiply sign, so add the exponents. So 3, it can be written as 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 plus 9, that is 11, equal to 3 by 4 raised to the power 3x plus 2. Here bases are same, so exponents are equal, so it can be written as 3x plus 2 equal to 11, or 3x equal to 11 minus 2, or x equal to 9 by 3, that is x equal to 3. Question number 5. X cube equal to 6 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 multiply 6 by 5 raised to the power 6. So it can be written as x raised to the power 3 equal to 6 by 5 raised to the power minus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6 equal to 3. So x cube equal to 6 by 5 raised to the power 3. Here exponents are equal, 3 3. So bases are equal. Therefore x equal to 6 by 5. Question number 6. 5 by 4 whole square multiply 5 by 4 raised to the power 11 equal to 5 by 4 raised to the power 8x. Here in LHS bases are same, so add the exponents. It can be written as 5 by 4 raised to the power 2 plus 11, that is 13. In RHS 5 by 4 raised to the power 8x. So it can be written as 8x equal to 13. Therefore x equal to 13 by 8. Now question number 1. 16. Simplify the following. 16 multiply 3 multiply 27 by 6 multiply 12. So 3 3 j 9 and 3 4 j 12. Again 3 1 j 3, 3 2 j 6, and 2 2 4 j 8, 8 2 j 16. So in numerator you have get 2 multiply 27 equal to 54, and another method also you can do it. Question number 2. 3 cube whole cube multiply 8 raised to the power 4 by 9 raised to the power 4 multiply 4 raised to the power 5 multiply 4 cube. Now it can be written as 3 raised to the power 9 multiply 8 can be written as 2 cube whole 4 by 9 can be written as 3 square raised to the power 4 multiply here 4 raised to the power 5 multiply 4 raised to the power 3. Here bases are same, so exponents are add. So 4 raised to the power 8. Now it can be written as 3 raised to the power 9 by 3 raised to the 3 square whole 4. So 3 raised to the power 8 equal to 2 raised to the power 12 by 4 can be written as 2 square, so it can be written as 2 raised to the power 16. Now 3 raised to the power 9 by 3 raised to the power 8. In division case you can subtract the exponents, so it can be written as 3 raised to the power 9 minus 8, and by 2 raised to the power 16 minus 12, it can be written as 3 9 minus 8 1, so 3 in numerator 3 by 2 raised to the power 16 minus 12, that is 4. So it can be written as 3 by 16. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 16. So your answer is 3 by 16. Now question number 3. It can be written as 12 raised to the power 4 multiply 9 raised to the power 4 multiply 4 square by 6 raised to the power 4 multiply 8 raised to the power 8 cube multiply 3 raised to the power 4. So look at here, 12 and 6 exponents are 4 4, so it can be written as 12 by 6 raised to the power 4 and 9 by 4 and 3 raised to the power 4. So it can be written as 9 by 3 raised to the power 4. Now 4 square can be written as 2 raised to the power 4, and 8 cube can be written as 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube and whole cube equal to 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. So it can be written as 2 raised to the power 4 multiply 3 3 is 9. So 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 4 by 2 raised to the power 3 3 is 9. Now it can be written as 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 4 multiply 2 raised to the power 4, that is 2 raised to the power 8 multiply 3 raised to the power 4 by 2 raised to the power 9. 3 raised to the power 4 by 3 raised to the power 4 by 2 raised to the power 9 minus 1. The 9 minus 1, that is 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, that is 81 by 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So your answer is 81 by 2. 81 by 2. Now question number 1. Find the number form each of the following. Any question is given in exponential form, write it into usual forms. So 5.0 multiply 10 raised to the power 11. So it can be written as 5 followed 11 0. 10 raised to the power 11 means 1 followed 11 0. So 5 1 is 5 and write 11 0. 1.385 multiply 10 raised to the power 5. It can be written as 1.385 multiply 1 followed 10 raised to the power 5 means 1 followed 50. Now it can be written as 1.38500. 1 multiply 10 raised to the power 5 plus 6 multiply 10 raised to the power 4 plus 5 multiply 10 raised to the power 3 plus 2 multiply 10 raised square plus 5. Now write in usual forms. So 10 raised to the power 5 means 1 followed 50. So it can be written as 50 after 1, yani 1 followed 50. 6 multiply 10 raised to the power 4 means 6 followed 40, and 5 multiply 10 cube. So it can be written as 5 followed 30. 2 multiply 10 square, it can be written as 200 plus 5 and add it. Your answer is 1,65,205. Similarly, you can do 4, 5, 6. Thank you. Have a nice day.